Machka Park was originally built in the early 1900s as a private park for the residents of the nearby Machka neighborhood. It was later opened to the public in the 1950s. The park's artificial lake was originally built to supply water to the nearby neighborhoods, but it now serves as a popular recreational area for visitors. The park is home to a variety of plant and tree species, including several rare and endangered species. Some of these species can be found in the park's botanical garden, which is located near the ITU Macka campus. In the past, the park was used as a location for film shootings, TV series and commercials. The park has a special area designated for people with disabilities and elderly visitors, with ramps and other accessibility features. The park has a free Wi-Fi service, a service that is not common in Istanbul's parks. The park has a regular program of events and activities such as fitness classes, concerts, and cultural events. Machka Park has a wide variety of recreational options for visitors, including a jogging track, a basketball court, and a skatepark. The park is also home to a large number of sculptures and statues, which were created by local artists. Some of these sculptures are located in the Botanical Garden and the ITU Macka campus. The park has a special section for children, which includes a playground, a carousel, and a pony ride. The park is illuminated at night, which makes it a popular spot for evening walks and picnics. Machka Park is also a great spot for photographers and videographers, as it offers a variety of picturesque views of the city, including the Bosphorus Strait, the Galata Tower and the historic district of Beyoğlu. Machka Park is a great place to experience Istanbul's famous street food culture, as there are several street vendors selling traditional Turkish snacks and drinks throughout the park.